Hello and welcome to this video editing tutorial. I know that it's hard for you to do all your video editing as a beginner on YouTube. So what if I tell you that after recording your video, you can give it to an AI that will do the whole thing for you? Hello and welcome to George Digitals. Today I'll be guiding you through doing AI video editing, and I would like you to stick around to the end so that you can see the whole process. Now, the first thing is, after recording your videos, the next step is for you to go and edit, right? But today, after recording your video, I'll be telling you things you would do. So for you to do these things, you have just 3 steps to make. The first step is record your video. After recording your video, the second step is going to the AI tool, video editing tool, to put your video there so that it will do it for you. But before you go into the AI tool, you have to register with them, and after registering, then you can upload your video. So I say the first step is to record your video. After recording your video, go to the AI tool, register with them. After registering with them, then the next step is to upload your video. Then after uploading your video, you sit and watch the AI to do the editing. Now, one of the cool features of this AI is that it will help you cut parts that are silent. It will help you do a smooth jump. What do I mean by a smooth jump? Meaning the places that are not having anything, it will cut it and skip it to the place where you are having things to say. It will give you a background music where the music will be docked, in the sense that when you are speaking, the music will be low, and when you are not speaking, the music will go high. You understand that, right? This is very cool. And again, it will help you to add subtitle and many more features. So what do you need to do? You need to head over to your browser. Once you head over to your browser, you go to wisecut.video. And once you go to wisecut.video, click on get started. This button, get started, for free. Click on it. So once you click on it, you need to register with them. So let's fill our detail. Then you click on create. The next thing you need to do is to sign in. So you need to sign in or log in. So once you log in, you have to prepare the video you want to upload. That's the first thing. So I've created an account one. Then I want to upload the video I have already recorded. So this is the video I want to play.
Welcome to the George Digitals. I want to use this opportunity to thank all those who have subscribed to our channel, and for those who have not subscribed to our channel, please try to watch this video and subscribe to our channel. Today, I'm going to teach you on video editing and using an app called Camtasia. On our desktop here, I'll click on Camtasia. This is Camtasia app developed by TechSmith. Now get started.
So I've paused the video. You've heard the video. Now, if you listen to this video, there's no music. It's not edited. So what you need to do is, after recording this video like this, now click on, once you sign in, then click on create project. Once you click on create project, click on add media. So this is where you are going to be uploading your media. Now, let me give you 2 things you need to put in mind. First of all, any video you are going to be uploading on, it's not going to be more than 1 gig in size. The size of the video is not supposed to be more than 1 gig. Then it's not also going to be more than 30 minutes, the duration, because we are using the free plan. But if you want to upgrade, then you can upgrade, and I'll be showing you how to do that at the course of the end of the video, how to upgrade. Then the next is, it's also going to be carrying a watermark, that is the WiseCut watermark. And if you want to remove the watermark, you still have to upgrade. Now, this is where you are going to be uploading this video. Now, the video is already here. You can drag. One of the cool features is that you can drag the video and drop it. So once you drag the video and drop it, you see the video is here. So you click on upload file. So once you click on upload file, if you notice, you see the video is loading. So you click on open project. So once you click on open project, if you notice, it says 7 seconds of awkward silence removed, 2 jump cuts created, 89 lines of subtitle created, music that perfectly fits your video was added, audio enhanced will professionally edit with editing techniques, smart close up created with auto punch in. So let's play the video.
Welcome to the George Digitals. I want to use this opportunity to thank all those who have subscribed to our channel, and for those who have not subscribed to our channel, please try to watch this video and subscribe to our channel. Today I'm going to teach you on video editing and using an app called Camtasia. On our desktop here, I'll click on Camtasia. This is Camtasia app developed by TechSmith. Now get started. Under our get started icon, you can see a new project. This is when you have not done any project before. You want to start a new project from afresh. New from template. This learning. These are channels in Camtasia. There's no need for this. Go back to our times 30, which is 600, 900.
You notice all these are done. But if you want to edit, just click on edit the project. Let's click on edit the project. So this is a part that it's removed. If you look at it, scene 1, it says removed. Welcome to George Digitals. I want to use this. You see, all these were done by the AI with the subtitle of this. If you like it the way it is, what if you want to, maybe you want to edit and do something, just click here, click on this pencil icon. Once you click on this pencil icon, you can go in and edit whatever you want to edit. Then once you are done with the editing, maybe you are done with the editing on this part, you can go to the next, which is translation. Now you can translate the video into other language like Portuguese, Spanish, Italian, French, and German. You can also change the music. If you don't like the music, you can maybe change the music to any music you like. If you like this music, you can leave it this music. You can add, this is the music that it's used. So this is where you can, then the next thing is settings. So this is the name of the file. Then background noise cancellation, where you cancel the noise. Then you click on preview and export. Then you click on render now. Okay, if you notice, it's rendering the video. So as it's rendering the video, we just have to be patient and wait for it to finish the rendering. So the rendering has to do with it's trying to merge every features and every settings we've made. It has finished. Now you click on export and preview, and this is where you are going to see export. Just click on export. Okay, it's exporting the video. So as soon as it's done exporting the video, we can download the video. So it's done with the exporting. Then click on preview and export. Then this is where you can now download the video and also download the subtitle. You can even connect this to your YouTube channel. Then let's just click on this. So once you click on download finish video, at the top, it's downloading. Let's even play the video and see how the video look.
Welcome to the George Digitals. I want to use this opportunity to thank all those who have subscribed to our channel, and for those who have not subscribed to our channel, please try to watch this video and subscribe to our channel. Today I'm going
So if you notice, this is the video, and if you look at the top, there is a watermark on the video. So like I said, you can remove the watermark. So how do you remove the watermark? So you head over to WiseCut. Once you head over back to WiseCut, go to pricing and features. Then this is it. You can now check for the starter plan, which is just $10. Uh, and you can even keep it on monthly. If you want monthly plan, is $15. But if you want annual plan, it's better you just pay $10 per month, then get this. And this is the features. For AI processing, you have 30 minutes for the free plan, while for the starter plan, you get 8 hours. So that's it with WiseCut. So once you're done with this video you're downloading, you can now upload it to your YouTube channel. You understand the whole procedure. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to this channel if you find this very useful. Happy video editing. Bye.